Welcome to 20 Car. If a black hole could be harnessed for joyrides, it would manifest as the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan Concept. This isn't a car, it's a controlled explosion of Italian audacity, a machine that bends physics to its will with the arrogance of a Renaissance sculptor. Striking exterior, a prowling panther dipped in liquid mercury, its body is a symphony of razored lines and hexagonal vents that glow like neon veins at dusk. The active aerodynamics? Wings that morph like origami in flight, slicing air with the precision of a Florentine blade. Revolutionary interior, enter a cockpit where Dante's Inferno meets a quantum lab. The dashboard is a seamless OLED wave, projecting holographic gauges that pulse like a heartbeat. Bucket seats, carved from 3D printed titanium and Alcantara, grip you like a lover's whisper. The steering wheel? A skeletal marvel with biometric sensors that read your pulse, then dare you to race it. Technical sorcery, a hybrid twin-turbo V10 paired with axial flux electric motors unleashes 880 horsepower, catapulting this 1,550 kilograms beast to 100 kilometers height in 2.3 seconds, quicker than a synapse firing. The 150-kilometer EV range flickers like a candle in a hurricane, but track mode unleashes a banshee wail from its synthetic exhaust. Market rivals, it mocks the Ferrari 296 GTV's civility and the McLaren Artura's restrained. Priced at $325,000, it's a papal bull for the hyper-rich, a decree that excess is divine. Ownership realities, maintenance costs could fund a Tuscan villa, yet its carbon monocoque resists depreciation like a Medici heirloom. Insurance? Pray. Driving experience, steering the Huracan is like wrestling lightning, terrifying, transcendent. Corners dissolve beneath its torque vectoring claws, while the hybrid powertrain hisses and snarls like a caged Vesuvius. Verdict: a masterpiece of controlled chaos, though its electric range is a fleeting mirage,